Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell for upcoming video. Today I will be showing you how to make this meaty, cheesy stuffed shell. If you want to learn how to do so, stay tuned.
It's a Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.
Hey guys, to begin with, I am using those jumbo shell, Parmesan, and cheddar cheese, ground beef. I'm also using pasta sauce. I'm using ricotta and creamy vodka, oil, and last but not least, my Haitian seasoning. Without further ado, let's get to cooking. I usually wash, believe it or not, my ground beef. However, I don't have time to do so today, so I am just going to do without. You always need lime juice or lemon with your ground beef or any meat that you are using. Lemons is your, or lime is your best friends. So we are going to use that juice up. And for today I am using my seasoning. This is completely mine. I made them. There's no MSG, there's no artificial color, so it's just a little bit that I'm going to be using for today, because I will be using my spice. Okay, so I have my pan on high heat. I'm going to add my oil. I am using minced garlic. I know I have a bigger pilon, but for some reason, if I'm not doing that big spice and stuff, I just use this small one. So I have my garlic. I have my parsley. I'm going to add my egg. And I'm going to add on my ground beef. Also, while my beef is cooking, I am boiling the water for the shell. You want to make sure you press it down so you can get everything cooked. Thirdly, Okay, so I like my beef to cook really good, so I'm going to let this cook for about 15 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so my water is boiling. I'm going to add my shells. I don't want to cook all of it. And I'm going to stir it up so it doesn't stick together. And I'm gonna let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. This is the final result. I wish I could share with you guys. It smells and it tastes so delicious. You can add more sauce if you prefer, or more cheese, or less ham. However, this is how I am going to do mine for today. Okay, so my next step, I am going to add a little bit of meat fillings into my pan. You don't have to, you can spray, but I'm adding a little bit, just as if I was making lasagna. It's the macaroni, the shell from pretty much sticking to the pan. Okay, so basically all I'm doing is I'm adding my shells. Oops, this one wanna be naughty. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of cheese. You don't have to. Just want it to be a little bit more cheesy. This is completely optional. I'm adding more cheese. Bit of salt to them. This is a mixture of the vodka and also the tomato sauce. Okay, we are almost done. I'm adding shredded cheese on top. And I already preheated my oven on 350. I'm going to let it cook for 10-15 minutes the most, and I'll show you the final result.